Hey guys, my name is Haniya and this is my plant channel. And today is a very exciting day because I am gonna do a plant unboxing. It's my first plant unboxing of 2021. So that is kind of crazy because I just didn't do any plant unboxings. Black Jungle Exotics online had a sale for plants that would go for $7.77, so their lucky 777 sale, and it was a deal that I could not pass up. But they also had some rare plants in stock that I figured, you know what, I'm just gonna buy this because I don't know when I'm gonna see this plant again, and this seems like a good price. It's not a cutting, it's in a pot, so I'm just gonna like go with it and, you know, do my best to keep this plant alive and healthy, and then maybe propagate it once it's big enough. So this is the box. It's not huge. I would say it's like 10 by 11 by 8 or something along those lines. I'm just gonna like cut it up really quick. So interesting. I don't know if you guys can see, this is what the box looks like right now. There's like a crazy cup thing that I'm gonna pull out probably first because it looks like there's something fascinating inside of there that probably needs that humidity. And what is this? Oh, it's my Ficus losa. Look how beautiful these leaves are. It feels like a cat ear or something crazy like that. It's absolutely gorgeous. And there's hair all over it. It's not just on the top, it's on the bottom, it's everywhere. And it's absolutely gorgeous looking, if you guys can see that. And these guys, I've really only seen cuttings for like crazy amounts of money, but this guy is rooted in a pot and I cannot wait to make a terrarium for him because that is what he will ultimately need. Awesome. Okay, well, we will get to the next plant now that I'm done geeking out over this dude. Oh yes, okay. So a while ago I bought a heart fern, and the heart fern did not make it outside of a terrarium. So if you have wanted a heart fern in the past, just know that they need really high humidity and they don't really survive outside of that. Here is my heart leaf fern. It's super cute. And he's got tons of leaves. Let's see, there we go. There's the focus. He is inching to get out of this pot, it looks like, or just in some more substrate. And he looks so much healthier than the last one that I've had, so I'm really excited to give him some space to grow out and not have to be stuck in this pot. Back to the box. This is a Calathea rosea picta, and it is tiny. Do you guys see that? I love these leaves so much. You could just like make a dress pattern out of these leaves. They just look so unreal. It's like somebody decided to design them. Great. Okay. Let's go to my next plant. For those of you who love carnivorous plants, if I can get this to focus, there we go. This is a Drosera spatulata that I got for $7 from Black Jungle Exotics. And I'm gonna go put him right on top of my distilled water in just a few minutes. I love carnivorous plants. They eat all of my stupid fungus gnats, so I can't say enough good things about how awesome carnivorous plants are. They're such a big help. This is a Calathea leopardiana. No, sorry, Calathea leopardina. And I haven't had this type of Calathea before, so I'm really excited to see what it looks like up close. I'm assuming it's got like leopard spots, which I'm super into because I love leopard spots. And this is another one, $7. Can't really beat that price for a lot of these plants. And it is super adorable. Aww. I love these leaves already. It sort of has the same leaf texture as like a Macoyana or Macoyana, however you say that, the peacock Calathea. So they've got that little like webbing texture, but this guy seems like he'll be fairly hardy, which I'm super excited about because that's what I want in my Calatheas, guys, is hardy plants. Next, let's see what this is. Ooh, I think I'm gonna save the best for last. This is just this is a Calathea Sabrina. You guys have probably seen this or are familiar enough. I really, again, can't stress how good of a deal the $7 was, because this plant was $14.99 and now it's $7.77. It's my lucky plant day is what I like to say. And all right, it seems a little drier, but maybe that's just how much paper is around him. All right, here we go. Could not get enough of this leaf. I just wanted to touch it all day. It's not quite, it is velvety and it is beautiful, but it's not quite as velvety as maybe some other leaves, but can't get enough. And I guess I just for the difference, you guys can see fairly similar, but also not. Like, this is much shinier and there's much more vein action going on in leaves, and this guy, not as shiny, obviously, very matte, and the leaves are much darker and more intense. Last but definitely not at all the least, I spent $100 on this, but I also saw this at the Denver Botanical Garden a couple weeks ago and just decided I really had to have one of these. And it took all of my strength not to take a cutting, but I obviously did not want to get kicked out of the garden. Just kidding, but I know people think about that, right? Like, can I just take a snip of this rare plant because I really want one? You guys aren't gonna miss it, right? But I didn't, obviously. But I ordered one, and oh, he's such a baby. Oh my God! Say hello to my dwarf Philodendron verrucosum. And I can't stress how effing excited I am about this guy. He is absolutely gorgeous in person. It's an expensive purchase, but I personally think these are much cooler than pink princesses and a lot of other philodendrons you can see on the market, so I had to have one. And you can see why I was like, I really want a cutting of this, because they are so easy to propagate. Awesome. Well, thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you enjoyed this unboxing, or if you just love plants in general, I do a ton of seed starting videos, and I also, I guess now, am buying rare plants, so that's really what my channel is about. Please like and subscribe, and let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below, and I'll be sure to reply to you. Thanks.